don't be your last gay, go to hell. Hey. Nigga, I hope you leaving quiet. Nigga, I'm good, man.
Sup y'all, I am back with another video. Today finna show y'all how to sound like Destroy Lonely. Finna let y'all hear it, then I'ma show y'all the step.
Bought my hoe a bad, she go everywhere I go. Put that bad bitch on VVS,
Go to Noise Gate. Go to the Ether. Go to Studio Reverb. Go to Dimension B. Go to FBK Compressor. Go to Ping Pong Delay. Go to AQ3M. Go to Graphic EQ. That all if you get it, or if you didn't comment on this video, I'ma help you get the Destroy Lonely preset piece. Out, see y'all next video.
Money